crews that ravaged Alabama not even a year ago. AirEvac gets the call. We've got someone that needs medical attention and they need to get to the hospital as quickly as possible. And this is why we're glad they are here, because if you're in ever need of their services, this is what we support, ladies and gentlemen. AirEvac 45. Again, pilot Brett Ogburn lands the helicopter, the Bell 206, right at Air Show Center. Patient in need of medical assistance will be quickly loaded up in the helicopter. Again, we hope you never have to use their services, but if you ever do, we are glad they are here.
I wish they did that thing. You remember the Wings Over Meridian where they like the bombing runs?
And these men and women kept very, very
Japanese
busy throughout the
heroes
year.
are so sick.
And of course, with all the devastation that happened here in Alabama, air crew, AirEvac crews were on call 24/7 and did an outstanding job of rescuing so many people, saving a lot of lives and getting people where they needed the medical attention the most.
What'd you say?
T-mount's on it right now.
The T-mount.
This right here. Got different mounting systems. You got to put this little screw on.
The RN on board again is Rebecca Richardson, and the medic is Tim Crumble.
Gosh, dude. Is this a Canon fit?
No, it's a Bauer. It takes that same T-mount.
That's ridiculous, dude. Where'd you get this thing?
eBay.
How much is
Got the
this?
camera on eBay. You got all this entire pack on eBay.
How much is that thing?
Didn't say how much it was on its own.
Not really. How much is the pack?
A little more than 2,000.
Yeah. Say T3i. That's not bad.
Because you're using
Patient, of course, evaluated
kit with the
and then getting ready to be secured inside the AirEvac helicopter. Again, we do remind everyone this is just a simulation, but again, to the needed medical facilities.
They had the medevac chopper. Where did it land the other day?
And again, we hope you never have to use their services, but if they're ever needed,
They
it's
picked
great
someone
to
up from,
have
like,
AirEvac,
rec fields because they were
AirEvac
taking them to
and the
Birmingham.
other crews that are all here ready to rescue anybody that needs the attention, needs to get to medical facilities as quickly as possible. We are so thankful that these great men and women do and provide the services that they do. AirEvac 45 with us here in Tuscaloosa.